Alright, so I just rolled out of bed, in case you can't tell by my voice. I'm gonna take Molly out and then check on the chickens. It was the coldest night we've had since we've had chickens. Hopefully they are good. Alright, closed the coop door last night to keep them warm. Let's check out their water. Frozen solid. They sound like they're doing okay in here. But they're probably gonna be thirsty. So I gotta do something about the water. Good morning, girls! Oh my gosh, they're starving to death. Alright, let's see how the night was at Mimi's house. Good. Oh, sounds like it was a normal night. You guys on a train?
Uh-huh. Dinosaur train.
You on a dinosaur train? Smells like coffee in here.
Rem's still here.
Good morning, good morning.
Cinnamon.
Say it again.
Cinnamon.
You said it a minute ago.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Can you say cinnamon, Wyatt?
Cinnamon.
Good job. Mmm.
Wyatt's just gonna pick up a green leaf and wave it for the green flag.
Oh. Now remember, Tyler's legs are moving.
And I don't have to get a red flag for the stop. And a green flag for the wave.
A red flag for the stop. That's right. White knows.
Yeah, you ran Marshall.
He knows how it works.
Map is done.
Back home before 9.
My map is done.
That is a wonderful map.
It's art.
And Logan's making a map of the world. That is wonderful. Tell us about the letters. Hold on, let me come around.
Well, these letters are the first letters of the name of that country.
Wyatt, we can't hear. First letter of the country. All right, and what are they?
Oceania, China, Russia, Greenland, North America, South America, and Australia, and Antarctica.
I thought you said what? You said this was something else a minute ago.
Africa.
Africa. That is so wonderful. And Nora is butt naked. She took off all her clothes and her diaper. So.
Okay, Anna. I got you.
What have you done? This is getting out of hand.
It was an accident. Sorry, Anna. Oh, she's ice cold.
I know where we have to go.
Our Frozen DVD has been missing forever and I just found it. I'm so excited. I'm trying to clean my bedroom though so I can't watch. Look who's here! They're here, they're here, they're here. They made it. They finally made it. Yay! 4 hours, we made it. Who is it, Wyatt?
Our cousins?
I heard something.
Our cousins! They're here! They're here! Hey, what are you doing? Vlogging. Me too!
Right. So he's all of this book.
Mama, cool. I can somehow get both the presents from both.
I'm looking for a daddy for backpack. You can wear the
Get your pony?
You want to take all this with you? I got it.
Yeah, I'll take it home.
Everybody.
3. I'm doing like this. I'm doing like this. No, you're not. 3. I get. Yes, please, please. What? I just got here.
Here she comes. We're gonna start our Christmas puzzle. We talked about doing one on Christmas weekend when we're all here together. But we're all here together now, so let's start it. Yay!
Christmas every day.
I think we can get the...
Uh-oh.
Is that a curved piece?
It is a curved piece.
It's gonna be crazy pieces in this puzzle.
Yes, apparently.
Oh,
Here's a corner.
look at this piece.
Did I just pick up a corner?
This is a corner.
Oh. No.
Here's a
Yeah,
corner.
it is. Okay, so it goes in
Right here.
Yeah.
So is this the bottom?
Yeah, I would say.
Ooh.
So this is one of the tops.
I want to be able to remove it off the tables because we'll eat Christmas dinner here and such.
Oh, it's What else do we need?
I don't know.
Bell pepper. Do you have the chicken?
I got chicken, I got spaghetti, I got cream of food.
Start cooking the chicken.
I need some cheese.
You need cheese.
Cheese.
Adiós. Disculpe.
Goodbye. I don't think that's it.
What?
I really like this bouncy.
Bounce again.
Those little cars of the new player.
In our house? And do what?
Play with them.
What do you want to play with?
Oh, just things that we have.
You got some chili on your face. What do you want to play?
Well, there might be something that they might like to play over at our house.
This puzzle is really hard. There are pieces that have straight edges that aren't edge pieces. And it gets really confusing. Like, the kids are so loud. Making a cake for Gramps' birthday. We really need to do a cleanup.
Yeah.
And Mimi's warming up a cold chicken.
She's so cold. Oh, she's so cold.
Poor little Esther.
She's cold chicken.
She's shivering. She's this little runt, the runt of the group.
I'm cold. Oh, bless her. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. We gonna get you warm. Yeah, we'll get you warm. I'm freezing, y'all. I'm freezing.
I think this one will definitely work.
Oh, good.
So
It's a good sock for you, Esther. It's a good sock for you, baby.
here I am making a chicken diaper. Yeah, you heard that right. A chicken diaper. We'll see how it works. I just watched a YouTube tutorial. I'm trying to remember it, make sure I do it right.
No, this would happen.
I know, right?
Well, we had to double check to remember. We didn't video all the store.
No, we didn't.
This cake is smelling good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
this is supposed to catch the poop.
Okay.
The
Foot.
toe. And this is where her tail goes through. I'm not sure if it's going to be big enough for her tail. And this is supposed to go around her neck.
Oh.
This is gonna be fun.
She's not going to like this.
This is gonna be fun, Esther.
It'll be like a little sweater too.
Oh, it'd be
It's
warm
true.
too, sweetie.
Oh, it's gonna look so cute. Oh, you're darling. You're adorable. She can't breathe. She's supposed to, it's not be too thick. It's supposed to go under her wings. Under her wings. She's like nice and soft. Oh, it's not got too tight because she hadn't got much neck. You gotta realize she's just feathers. We're dressing a chicken. Goes through here, and this is supposed to cut her booty. Esther, you look great, darling. I just don't know if how it's gonna catch the poo, you know? Well, like if it's gonna catch it or not. Yeah, so you can walk. She's like, this is weird. You know, like when you put like shoes on cat. I can't walk, y'all. I can't walk. Esther. Come here, sweetie. You like a little treat for her or something. That would be good. Let's see. A grape? Give me a okay, yeah, I'll take her a grape. Could you give me that from the bed? Not here on chickens. Give me a grape there. I will put my chicken in on the grape. She's shut down. They can't move. Look, here's sweet girl. Here's a treat for you. Would you like? I can't walk. Here's a grape. That's a grape, sweet. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yeah, oh, good. Yeah. You wear sweaters, you get grapes. I think you're gonna make her walk to it. No, I'm just gonna trade her. I'm just not sure if this is in her booty hole or not. Oh, look, she forgot. Yeah, she forgot. Yeah. You got little pieces. See, it looks like it's tied on her neck, but it's not. Her neck is like this big around. Yeah. You can feel it's not tied off. Oh. They love grapes. You don't eat grapes a lot. It's really weird. Yes. I bet she's warm, though. I bet she is warm. Street jacket. She's not shivering anymore. No, she's not shivering. And she said, ain't nobody else get these grapes either but me. Mm-hmm. If they want to fall out of it, I'll bring that one to me, too. Esther was pretty loader. She's still an egg, though. She laid one little egg. Maybe somebody else just laid one early. There you go. So I can't walk. Something wrong with me. I'm your baby. I know, I feel sorry for her. Me too, but better than freezing. Yeah. What's the long-term plan here, though? I don't know. She's the short-term is I got grapes.
Speaking of cold chicken.
Don't look, Esther.
So
Just don't look. Well, you don't want to see your kind.
it's our supper.
Sorry.
Don't look, Esther.
Chicken breast. Yours is not this big, sweetie.
I don't think she even has breasts. Dale's gonna teach me how to do the water refiller thing.
Hold this.
I'll hold this.
Now pop this in.
Pop it in how?
Like that.
Like face down like that?
Yes.
Okay, I did it. That was pretty easy. And then it's $1.75. And then it just fills in. Well, that's pretty easy. And then you just pop this back on top. Sweet. Thanks, Dale. So Dale helped me get some water, and then we came to the store and got some soda, and I completely forgot that I have not fixed my hair or put on any makeup today. I'm completely barefaced and my hair is just however it dried from the shower. But whatever. Thank you, Dale. This is my nephew, Dale.
Okay, I'll have come on, this car.
What you doing? Look how many eggs we have. We have eggs in the morning. We should have got some biscuits. A little before supper movie.
Shut the door on them.
Good night, Esther. Have a nice night out in the coop with your chicks.
They need to get a shit.
You sad your chicken friend left?
Show it. Show it.
Yeah, when we get done with supper, then we will eat the cake.
Yeah, but Ma, you can
Is it yummy, Levi?
candles. And Grace is gonna open his present.
Yes. Is it yummy, Nora?
Yes.
Chicken spaghetti and salad.
What do you need, Tom?
Strawberry guy. Is that how old you are?
It's probably getting pretty close.
Go on, blow.
Happy birthday
To you.
Look
at here, Brooklyn.
Read that one. We're gonna have some cake.
All right.
I need someone to untie this bag.
Bluebell.
Watch the video.
On a video.
If you are happy to be with your cousins, sit down on the rug.
Tyler's not happy to be with his cousin.
If your name has an L, stand up.
If you are in the Christmas tree room, sit down where you are. Sit down where you are. Sit down. Levi, sit down. If you are still in this room, give me a high five. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Nora.
If you are a boy, sit on this rug. If you want to see Gramps open a present, sit on this rug. If this is your Gramps, say, Happy birthday, Gramps. That thing is seriously too much fun. I need one of these in my life. It was pretty cheap on Amazon. Oh, yeah. Oh. This is from the Lowe's. Oh, very Stephanie. This is from the Lowe's.
Close more. Ooh, it's rocket copters. 6 copters and 3 rockets. Spectacular flats.
You gotta go outside and play with them. You can't do it. It is too old for there to go outside. That's fun. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, 6 out of 9 have had baths. I don't know where they all are now. I'm getting their jammies on. Levi's going to bed. Where's mine? Wyatt. I'm fixing to take my children home to go to bed. Wyatt. No. Wyatt, I want you to stay in this room right here. Nora. There she is. Alan, will you please go upstairs and see if my phone's up there anywhere? They're looking at dollhouse miniatures on Pinterest.
Oh, there's the whole house. He is. Chase Elliott,
There's the living room
Ryan
and
Blaney,
the
Dina
There's the guy reading.
They playing young guns?
Yeah, the new ones. They like have things.
Except for Bubba.
Logan and Wyatt and Nora are about to go home. Everybody needs to tell them good night.
Good night, Nora. I'll see you tomorrow.
Good night, Logan.
Yes, I need all those things. I've got all their babies and blankies. Important for bedtime.
Had a long day.
Happy birthday to Gramps.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Had a good birthday. Had my kids, all my grandkids here.
And not a single son-in-law in sight.
Oh, that's not a bad. That's not.
I know. I wish they could have been here.
Good night.
You know those daddies, they have to be working all the time.